Welcome to Petra. Let's go. Hey Camel, what's up? Subscribe to Explore. He's ignoring me. Hey you, please. Oh my god, guys. The scene. What about this, guys? Will it stand? Oh yeah, it does stand. Perfect. I'm gonna get this. Let's go up. गाइस ये बीच में ऐसा छोटा रास्ता बनाया है पहाड़ चट्टानों के बीच में। यार कितना अच्छा लगेगा। आधा शैडो आधा धूप और दो चट्टानें। जस्ट अ क्रेजी सीन। जॉर्डन में एक बात है कि यहाँ पे मक्खियाँ यानी मक्खियाँ की फौज घूमती हैं जिससे आर्मी होती है। So just enjoy this really good scenes. Wow. Subscribe, like, comment, share, guys. What is this? Oh, it's some type of wall here. So let's go in front towards the treasury. And guys, Indiana Jones was shot here. It's a movie. You can watch it as oh. By the way, the small places like you just saw people are sitting can be used as seats as well. Oh my God, guys, the scene. What a close scene. Oh my God, this is so adventurous. So let's enjoy these scenes now. Oh, this is getting mysterious, adventurous. छोटी ऊपर से जगह बनी हुई है खाली थोड़ी धूप के लिए। बाकी ये पूरा नीचे सिर्फ अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है। यानी पूरी रॉक्स हमको ही कवर कर रहे हैं। उफ, this is massively huge. Guys, I've been walking for like, yeah, we're done with 3,200 steps. I mean, then like a few steps are only left to reach the treasury. This is not even tiring just because these rocks are covering us from sunlight. This is really comfortable, guys. But Petra is too long. I mean, if we walk continuously for like a few hours, we can complete it. But I think no one has completed the whole Petra yet. I've been done some research on it. Nobody has completed the whole Petra. Oh my God, my shoe! Oh my shoe! Oh, there was a pit down. Oh, I literally fell in that pit. I was almost gonna die. Oh my God! That was a close call, guys. I feel I'm alone at Petra. I think I've came too far. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take a small break. I think we're near treasury. Yeah, I think we're too near treasury. 1,000 steps to reach treasury. As you see the sunlight as well. Oh, some flies are coming on the camera. It ruined the whole scene. It's still there. Look at this. Guys, whenever you're coming to Petra, I mean, if you live in Kuwait, this is for the people To walk in Petra, you need some training, so I prefer you to go Shaikh Park in Kuwait and like walk so much over there, and then you'll be master. Oh, there's a small cave over here. Let's go inside. Oh, I'm literally standing inside a hole. I'm standing inside a mountain. I feel so scared, guys. I'm scared. Oh, hopefully I escaped it. Yeah. There's something written here. A G and a W. WG. Okay, let's go forward. Yo, guys, this scene. Check me out. I don't think the treasury is ever gonna come. Okay, this part is getting a spooky. I feel like I'm in a horror movie. ऐसा लग रहा है भूत की पिक्चरों में हो अभी तुम. ऐसे कई भूत निकलेगा जैसे बहु. और ऊपर देख लिए गाइस, ऊपर देखो, छोटा सा खाली धूप के लिए रास्ता बना हुआ है. मैं बहुत आगे निकल गया, यानी मेरे जो ग्रुप से मैं बहुत ही आगे निकल गया. मेरा ग्रुप तो कहाँ पीछे रह गया है, यानी वो तो अभी एंट्रेंस पे होंगे. और यहाँ पे कुछ खिड़कियाँ बनी हुई हैं गाइस. There's some art here. So Petra क्या है वो, यानी ancient years में ये पत्थर से बनी हुई एक सिटी है. ये पूरी जॉर्डन कैसी एक सिटी है. ये पूरा एक डुप्लीकेट बनाया हुआ है पत्थरों से. In short, okay, it's like that. I wish I had a drone so I could record, more cinematic shots with my whole group. I feel like someone is calling me, but I'm just gonna go forward. This thing looks something like, it looks like some sort of face. No, it's not a face, but it looks pretty cool. It's some sort of art. Now I'm gonna walk a little slow. To be honest, this feels nothing to me. It's literally like easy walk. Wait, we need to walk more 2,000 steps, guys. Now it became 4,000 steps. Oh, I feel something really sus. I am alone with no one. I feel lonely. But I've got a camera with me. In Jordan, there was 2 movies shoot. One in Petra and one in Wadi Rum. One was Star Wars in Wadi Rum, and one was Indiana Jones in Petra. This little hole type thing at top looks really good. I hear a lot of noise. Oh, we are at the treasury, guys. We reached the treasury. Yes, I made it. In total, 4,500 steps. You see the wait, this is not treasury. Wait a minute. What? Wait, this is, yeah, it's treasury. Yeah, it's a misunderstanding. Guys, treasury. I've reached it. Ooh. Welcome to Petra. camels, some treasury gift shop, like buy some souvenirs, something like that. Oh, we are at the treasury I've made. Okay, now as we saw treasury, now I'm gonna go back to my group quickly. It's allowed to go that high as well, but I'm officially not gonna go because I don't really wanna. Continuation for Petra. Actually, I'm gonna go a little back to find my group, as well as my camera is running out of some battery. Actually, it has, but we'll just go. Hey, camel, what's up? Subscribe to Explore A. He's ignoring me. Hey, you, please subscribe. No, Mr. Dog, you subscribe. Okay? Drinking some Sprite now. Too tired of my walking, so need some drinks, right? 100% refreshment. I'm refreshed now. Let's go forward. Back is Petra, and I'm just going before Petra to find my group, or else they're gonna be really angry. I've gotta hurry up. Why do I feel something really sus? Something's wrong, guys. Something's wrong. Finding my group. They were even worried about me. They said like, "Yeah, why are you here back? Like, say, go, go, go." Boom, boom. Full speed. Guys, this is something. And those are some shops over there. We're actually gonna cover some distance over there as well. Like distance, how much we can, we'll cover it. Like small Petra, written some, yeah, look like this. This is what I always wanted. But this one, man, I really want this. It's such a beautiful thing. Wait, there are more there. What about I buy this? This is literally gonna cost me 100 JD, I guess. Lol. Oh, this one is perfect. It even has a Wilson thing written. Do we have like something small and kind of perfect thing? What about this, guys? Will it stand? Oh yeah, it does stand. Perfect. I'm gonna get this. Let's go ask. How much?
5 days.
Huh?
5.
Okay. You have any monuments for a cheaper price?
Give me 3 dinar.
3 dinar for this? Yes. No, I mean.
You have 2?
What?
3 dinar, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Can't have.
Okay, 1 minute. I will just go get it. Give me money. Hey,